Do you have a tank that's underground that serves septic, grease trap, water fountain, and it's leaking? If you got a leak, I want to take a peek. Wonderful. Get back to business. Let's have fun. We're in Ashburn, Virginia, in a nice shopping center that has an awesome sundial fountain. And in the past year, this fountain has been reported as losing water in massive, massive levels. And they're having a hard time identifying where the leaks were taking place. Several companies came in and they were unable to isolate the issue. So we came in and did a few diagnostics of our own. You have the decorative sundial. You have 14 spray nozzles all the way around the actual sundial. Then you have 2 water recirculation tanks. And then this entire system is supplied by a pump system in this pump room. So in order to diagnose this properly, we had to first start with understanding the layout. How does each nozzle get supplied? Who serves what? How does this system work? So how it goes is that these supply lines feed the fountain. Fountain does this thing, the recirculation tanks pick up the water that landed on the ground, sending it back to this system, and the system sends it right back out again. So after mapping the entire system and figuring out who is who and what is what, we then moved on to the next phase, which was leak detection. The first leak was obvious. This manifold was leaking everywhere. Yeah, it was pretty messy. So needless to say, that manifold had to go, which is what allowed us to do the next level of leak detection, pressurizing each and individual line to make sure that it could hold water pressure. All of them held, but one. Supply line number 3. Next level of leak detection was in the tanks themselves, the recirculation tanks. One held its level and the other one didn't. That being this one. What do you do in this circumstance? No dig tank rehabilitation technologies. Well, at least that's in theory. Let's see how it goes.
Straight out of Oz, he came across the sea. A true blue platypus with a red cap, you see. Now he's in Virginia where the pipes can bust. If you got a leak, then Puddles is a must. Hey! Oi, oi, Puddles is on the way. Freedom Plumbers fixing it every day. No worries, mate, he'll sort the fuss. That's Puddles, the plumbing platypus. Royal Town is clearing out drains, never letting you down. G'day, Plumber, with a wrench in his hand. This Aussie and Norther is the best in the land. Oi, oi, Puddles is on the way. Freedom Plumbers fixing it every day. No worries, mate, he'll sort the fuss. That's Puddles, the plumbing platypus.
And now we're coming to the end of this project. All tanks have been tested, all the lines have been tested, all the leaks have been sealed, everything proposed has been taken care of. Whew. This was a project long in the making. For any of your most difficult underground utility issues with sewer, water, storm water, septic, and grease trap, don't hesitate. Give us a call at 703-895-4109. Email us at scheduling@freedomplumbers.com or check in on the website at www.freedomplumbers.com. Booyah! We'll catch you on the next one.
If you got a leak, we will take a peek. From the kitchen to the basement with the crew you seek. Pipes are rattling, drains won't flow. We bring the thunder when the problems show.